Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we'll discuss about how to compare numbers, comparison of numbers, and what is the expanded form, and what is the place value, and what is its face values. So here I took two numbers, a larger numbers, how to compare these two numbers. So comparison of two numbers. So we have to take the two numbers as it is. Let's going to take comparison. First one is what? Comparison. Compare numbers. Compare numbers. So how to compare? Let's take it the two numbers. First of all, let's going to take two numbers, right? 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, comma 5, 4. What is that? 5, 4, 3, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So how to compare? So compare means you have to start from the left side of the numbers. Let's going to take, you have to take left side of the numbers. You have to think, you have to remember this condition, left side. So what is the left side number? You have to strike out. So you can strike or you can compare. So let's take it here 5, 5, same. Next move on to the right side, left to right. Next 4, 4 as it is, 3, 3 as it is. Now here 4 is there, here 5 is there. So 4 and 5, 4 and 5 from the left, fourth place. So 5 is greater or 4 is greater. So we know that is 5 is greater number. 5 is greater than 4. 5 is greater than 4. For that, the greater number is, what is that? 5, 4, 3, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is greater than 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, if you have any doubts how to use these digits, these numbers in Indian and international, you can watch our video, that is Indian International System of Numeration. So, this is the greater number and this is smaller number. Next one, expansion form. So what is the expansion form? Expanded form. So how to expanded form for the given number? So what is that? 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have to expand this number by using of its place values. So what is its place value? So for this place value is 1's place, and 8 is 10's place, and 7 is there in 100's place. This one 1000's place, that is 6. 5 is a 10,000's place. This is there in lakhs place, and 3 will be 10 lakhs place, 4 will be crores place, and 55 will be 10 crores place. So let's take it commas using of Indian system of numeration. So in Indian system of numeration, you have to take first 3 from the right, first 3 digits, after that 2, 2, 2, 2. So let's take this one, it is there in 5, will be there in 5 in 10 crores place. So for 10 crores, how many zeros you will get? Here is 8 zeros. So if it is a 7 zeros, you will get, it means that is 1 crore. If you get one more zero, that is 10 crores, right? So how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus, so 5 into 4 into, what you can say here again, 4 into. So each digit in the given number, each digit you need to separately multiply with its place value. So here the place value of 5 will be equal to 50 crores. Place value of this I will explain down. So 4 into how many zeros here is 7 zeros. 4 into 7 zeros plus, again it is a addition. Next go with the 3. So 3 into how many zeros here is 6 zeros. Why? Because here 3 will be there in 10 lakhs place, for that it is 6 zeros. Next one 4. Again 4 is there in 1 lakh place. 4 into 1 lakh, how many zeros you will get? 5 zeros. So that is the case. Next one 4, 5 into 5 will be there in 10,000's place. For 10,000 you will have 4 zeros. Next 6, that is there in thousands place, that is 1000 three zeros you will get. Then 7, it is there in hundreds place, plus 8 is there in tens place, and 9 is there in ones place. So in their places we are multiplied. So if you observe carefully here, what you can understand here is no need of remembering what place it is. Directly you can write expanded form. What is the case? What is the logic for that? Let's take first 5. So if you take first 5 from the left side, how many digits next side? That many zeros you can take it. Right side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here also 8 zeros. Next come to the 4. So 4 after how many digits are there in the right side? So 4 after how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here also 7 zeros. And 1 we need to add left side. Next one, 3. For 3, how many right side are there? How many right side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for 3, 6 zeros. Next for 4, how many right side digits? 5. 5. So for that 5 zeros, 1 we are included. Then 6, how many are there? So for 5 again, here 4 places. 5, 4. Next 6, right side 3 digits are there. For that many zeros you can take. 7, 2 places only there, for that 2 zeros. 8, only 1 place, for that only 1 zero. 9, there is nothing, for that only 1 we are added. Then if you expand this one, so let's take it here. 5, how many zeros? As I told, here 8 zeros. 4, 7 zeros. Next 3, 6 zeros, that is 30 lakh place. Then 4, 5 zeros, that is 5 lakh. 1, that is 4 lakh place. Then 5, 50,000. Then 6,000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 9. So if you observe carefully, so its place values you can explain here. What is the place value? The place value will be, so 5 place value will be 50 crores. This is the place value. Then place values you can take it directly, I will write it. So 5 place value, this is the place value of 5 from the left side. These are the place values. So what you can say, addition of place values of each digit in the given number. So what is the definition of expanded form? It is the addition of place values of each digit in the given number. You can define, the definition will be like this. So expanded form, what is the expanded form of any given number will be equal to? So addition of place values of each digit in the given number. So this is the given number, that is 54 crores 34 lakhs 56,789. So for that, each digit place value we are added together. If you add all the place values of each digit in the given number, then what we are getting here is expanded form we are getting, correct? What is the expanded form? It is the addition of place values of each digit in the given number. If you express like this, addition of place values, then you can get it expanded form. So what logic I took here is, so whatever the given number, let's going to take any digit. For that digit, right side, how many numbers are there, how many digit places are there, how many digits are there, that many zeros you can take blindly. That is the logic here to remember. And what is the easy way to write? So this is the expanded form. What is the place value of 5? That is 50 crores. What is the place value of 4? 4 crores. What is the place value of 3 here? That is 30 lakhs. What is the place value of 4 there? 4 lakhs. What is the place value of 5? 50,000. What is the place value of 6? 6,000. What is the place value of 7? 700. What is the place value of 8? 80. And what is the place value of 9? That is 9. So what is the face value? So face values of this. So face values, these are the place values. So place values. So I already explained what is the place values there. So that is the place value. What is the face value means? For 5, 5 only. So 5, 5 only. 4, in this face value 4 of 4 only. So face value is same digit nor like not like place value. Place value. So for everybody, you will have one face. So for that guy only, you will have that face. Not we cannot say this many faces are there. So for that, face value of 5 is 5 only. Face value of 4 is 4 only. 3 means 3 only. Whatever the digit of face value, that digit itself, it is called face value for that. That is the face value. So not like place values. So this is the way of expansion form. Let's take another number, that is 5 4 3 5 0 1 2 3 4. So 3 5 0 1. So 5 means how many? So how many places are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So for that, 8 zeros. Can you write it like this? Yes, directly we can write it. 8 zeros. 8 zeros. For 4, 7 zeros. So 7 zeros plus 3. 3, how many zeros? So how many zeros? 7 already over. 6 zeros. Then for 5, 5 zeros plus 0, 0 into 4 zeros. So 0 into 4 zeros. Why? Because we need to include 0 also. Don't forget about this. We have to include in expansion form 0 also. That is 0 into that many things. Then plus 1 into how many? 3 zeros plus 2 into plus 3 into 10 plus 4. You can write it like this also, or into 5 into like that also we can write it. So this is the way. So 0 into anything means that is negligible. You can exclude this part. You can exclude this part. While writing next step, you can exclude this part. Means remove that 0 in 0. We need to write only 0. So that is the way of writing expansion form for the given any number. If you like the video, please like it. Try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.